Gwaith Pavilion. Big up to Cardiff Council's Youth Service. Amazing to have them with us here this evening, celebrating Youth Work Week.
Yeah, this hall is quite nice. Cardiff is a nice place to live. I would say it's a diverse community as well. You see people from different backgrounds and you get to talk to them, and everyone's quite friendly. When you go for a run, people smile, say hello and things like that. Students, also some families around there, like a family area, and full of good food places, I would say.
It's a lovely community. Like,
yeah, and
everyone's
everyone's
nice to each other, and everyone just links up. Like at the mosque, we all know each other from the mosque.
Yeah, the mosque. We met in the mosque.
In the mosque, yeah, and just.
It was like what, 5-6 years ago?
Yeah.
All the nice people there, it's like really nice there. They're all nice to you, and like usually when you walk past the street, everybody like smiles at you, so they're like not being like rude, don't give you a dirty look. I usually do a lot of gaming, or like I go out with my friends and we just play on like this huge field near where she lives. So that's what we do most of our time, or we just go to school.
It doesn't feel like an intense city environment where people just mind your own business, and you feel the fast pace, but then you can still get the kind of living in community kind of feeling. So yeah.
We do gym now,
together.
trying to plan our life,
Trying to get ahead.
Yeah, we're studying.
Yeah, trying to get all the girls up.
I think the people are really genuine, and you know, you see what you get with people. There's a lot of stuff going on in the communities. People say hello to each other on the street, which is nice, and I really appreciate that.
But it's like a really quiet area, and like not many people there. Like, the streets are usually like nobody's there, so maybe like more people. And I live in front of a school, and barely like you never see anybody go in there. So like there's like a lot of less kids, to be honest. Maybe some kids could go there to get more education. Maybe like clubs, like more clubs, social clubs, like that. Like sport clubs, like more sport clubs, because there's not really much sport clubs. So maybe that for like other people who like sport.
I would say rubbish collection, definitely, because on the days when the rubbish is supposed to be collected, sometimes probably they come a bit late and the seagulls just come and scavenge through the rubbish. It's not a bit nice, and people just throw their rubbish outside, and it doesn't give a nice feeling when you live it. It just makes the environment look a bit less nice. Yeah, trying to get the youth involved, because the youth have a lot of energy, so they should be more channeled into the right place at the right time, positive way, rather than just letting them go off the streets. Even with the elder community, I think it's a huge gap, intergenerational gap.
I think with the young community, you obviously have some people listen to some type of music that make turn into knife crime and like gang violence that is just not necessary, and I think that's what's ruined the community really.
Racism.
Yeah, especially there's some racist people. Yeah, like I had my Marge going on the bus before, and then she was trying to sit down. There was someone there, and then he was like, "You can't sit there because you're black. You gotta stand up," and that really put her off the mood and just.
That's peak.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
We ask the people who doesn't play us for like.
There is nice people around the area. Like everyone's respectful. Like not everyone's racist.
Yeah, of course.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I think it's a nice area and that. Like, it's just like it should be more youth clubs and that, like for sports and games and all that. Yeah,
for youngers, especially
for
youngers.
the youngers as well. Yeah, even us, not all of us. It'd be nice. It'd be nice.
I wish Cardiff stays the same in the way that it's very livable. It's not as intense and fast-paced. You can walk everywhere. I think it's just easy to commute around Cardiff as well. It's a small city, but you've got everything here. You don't really have to go anywhere else to get whatever you need, really.
A family member that I know, it's my auntie's kid's dad, but he's doing like put the knife down. Yeah. That kind of club to know how to use self-defense if you was ever in a situation that you need help.
I have friends, you know. Yeah, friends. Like the people around here.
They're like kind, respectful. The parks, it's like full of people like can make friends. Cause like say someone's new here, and then like he doesn't have friends or she doesn't have friends. Yeah.
I think people should just be a bit kinder to each other. If I had if I could wave a magic wand, I just want people to be a bit nicer to each other, really.
Like football, sports. Yeah. My favourite subject is sports. Like, because when I grow up, I would like to be a footballer.
I would say get more youth involved in like I would say the tech kind of coding, programming, and trying to get them off the streets, because obviously not all cities are perfect. But I would say Cardiff I used to feel safe in Cardiff when I first came here than I am now, because there are people with antisocial behaviour. I was racially attacked like a few months ago when I was walking home, and yeah, it's just probably of the gang culture, I'd say. So, and also trying to get a bit of I would say it's a bit of racial issue here. People always try to put a certain stereotype on a certain race when it comes to a certain behaviour, when it's not really related to race. It's more to just people just having bad set of friends, and it just happened to be from that culture. So people think, oh, those kind of people just happen to be bad.
Probably like, you know, football, basketball, maybe like someone to chat the kids, because nowadays the kids have no one to chat to, just like chatting to each other and doing the wrong thing. So yeah, if like someone old and smart to chat to them, and like
should be more the pavilion pavilion should open back. Pavilion was a nice place, and to all game centres and all people to link up and just more youth workers. And
no, for us we go mosques, and the mosque they talk to us about like what's right and what's wrong. So yeah, this how we know, like. But the youngest doesn't know. For us as Muslims, we go to the mosque, they chat to us, they say what's halal and what's haram.
Puts us in a straight line, and it makes you a better person, doesn't it?
Definitely more like this. I think anyone who's seen any of what's happened today knows that it's been a massive success, and like it's going to continue to be one, I think.
I have done gaming for around 5 years so far.
5 years.
But like my dad got me into like doing gaming club.
Yeah.
So it's been really fun for the time I've been doing it. So.
I used to be able to balance on stilts. I don't know if that's a very good fun fact though. I mean, might be able to. I haven't done it in ages.
I'm nice, I'm cool, I'm funny, and
I'm nice, I'm cute. All the girls come to me and that.